I am Arnold Jacob Wolf. I am the rabbi since 1980 of KAM Isaiah Israel, the oldest Jewish congregation in the Midwest. And I've been politically active as well as theologically concerned. I was the first chair of Brera, an organization formed in the 70s to bring peace in the Middle East between Israelis and Palestinians. And it seems to me, for the sake of Israel and for the sake of everybody, we need peace. My role is not to determine details of political life, but a kind of meta-politics, a kind of theology of politics, which is what Buber tried to do, an expression of why peace is more than just a political issue. It's a moral issue, and I would say even a divine issue. I support a two-state solution in which the Palestinians have their own state on the West Bank, all of the West Bank, and in which the Israelis have a certain security that's based not only on powerful armaments, but on the right to live in their own country safely and harmoniously. Time is running out, I think, that the two-state solution is now less popular than it was, and pretty soon the Palestinians are going to be unwilling to accept the two-state solution. And that means a violent conflict over and over again with no solution. So I think it's time, after 8 years of inaction, for the White House to be moving on this issue and helping the two sides to come together. Brit Tzedek is the one organization of its kind which unites Jews of all kinds in support of a two-state solution with generosity on both sides and trust on both sides. That's a very utopian, messianic goal, but I think it better be realistic. If it isn't, we are in very bad trouble, perhaps even the danger of a third world war. Because I know you, President-elect Obama, I know you care about this, and you know the details. You are the master of the situation, and we hope you will do everything in your power to bring peace. That would be a legacy for the ages.